Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Doogee V Max. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest device, just switch off and switch on the Bluetooth connection to restart it. After that you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and choose restart. A little bit obvious, I know, but it really sometimes works. Okay, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to activate you have to change it, you have to check it in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode but it's still not visible for your device, for your Doogee, just go to the settings, choose system and go to the reset options. You can see there you have a Bluetooth, so tap on it and choose reset settings. Configure pattern or the code and choose reset settings. After that, look for your device again on the Bluetooth list. The next tip, try to update your system. How to do it? Just open the above phone and choose sorry, not here, my bad. Okay, so we have to go to the system and system update. Allow permissions and tap on the check for updates. If you have any, just allow that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which not, which one making up, which one from the gadgets, from your gadgets making a problem here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or comment, and goodbye.